Hey everybody, it's Neon. I needed some new under counter lights, and so I got this one here for working for some of that in my kitchen, but I'm gonna show you guys what it has here and all the stuff it comes with. It's got a whole roll of lights here. Let's go ahead and I'll take it out of the bag here. And so the way these are is it's a nice long strip of lights. You can kind of see it starts right there. And here is my plug. It just has a 2-prong plug. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in right now. And that's what it looks like there. That is crazy bright there, but it's gonna have a nice strip of lights that you have. And so let me just turn that off right now because it says, well, it's coiled up. You're not supposed to leave it on just because it generates too much heat. But it's got, looks like a sticky tape that you can remove from there to tape it on. It has also, so that's the part there, in these other little bags it came with. It has some instructions here, so on how to do it. Comes with, I think these are gonna be just mounting hardware. Let's check it out. Yes, so we have, it comes with the screws if you want to put those into the wall to really make it nice and strong. Comes with some adhesive as well. It looks like we have maybe 2 sets of the same thing. Let me check, I don't know. Let me see what this one is. Just to be sure, we'll open this one up too. And no, those ones are different ones. Okay, so these are little clips like that. Oh, so when we screw it into the wall, we can screw these into the wall, and then the strip will fit inside of these clips. So that's what these clips are. So that's nice. So it comes with the clips, it comes with the mounts, it comes with everything you need, and just plugs into the wall. These ones are nice because they do just plug into the wall, and we have the ability to cut them at different points. So that's what's cool too, is this one here is kind of a resizable. What I'm gonna be using it for is different sizing. So pretty cool. So here's all the installation kind of instructions if you need it. Okay, the ones in this back side are a different language. So that's the English instructions. So there we go. Actually, the English instructions are all just this first 4. Those are just English right there. So really cool. So if you need some good lights, these are gonna be great for my under counter or up on the top or anywhere. You can just put it going around the window or anywhere you need. These are kind of nice and long one. So I like this. Thumbs up for sure.